Alright, then the last type of problem, instead of expanding, we're going to condense logarithms down to like a single logarithm. Okay? I'll use numbers here first. We'll go log of 9 plus 3 log 2 minus log 3. So I have 3 logarithms right now, and I want to condense it all the way down to just 1 logarithm. Okay? The first thing I would look for when condensing is if you have any numbers out in the front of logarithms, let's move them up to the powers. Okay, let's do the powers first. This one doesn't have a number here. This one does, so where can I move that 3? Up to the power on the 2, right? This one doesn't have a number either, so that's what I'd probably do first. So the log of 9 plus the log of 2 to the 3rd minus the log of 3. Okay, we're just working backwards now is all we're doing. What do you guys think we maybe do next?
You can take the addition and multiply them, or put them in parentheses.
You can multiply these two things together here because it's addition. Okay. So these two can become the log of 9 times 2 to the 3rd. Because it's plus, you can condense it into 1 logarithm, but then you got to multiply those things together. Do we want to take care of this multiplication maybe right now too? Yeah. Let's do that. I don't like looking at that. 2 to the 3rd is 8 times 9? 72. I just want to take care of that. So now I got log of 72 minus the log of 3. We want to keep going though, we want to get down to just 1. Because it's subtraction, what can we do? 72 divided by 3. So I got the log of 72 divided by 3. And let's take care of that math. What is 72 divided by 3?
24.
24. So final answer, log of 24. So we went from this ugly 3 logarithms down to just a nice log 24.
When we have it at that stage, you want us to simplify it?
Nope. Nope. When it just says condense, all I'm looking for you is to go from multiple logarithms down to a single logarithm. Now if it would say condense and simplify, or condense and evaluate, something like that, then I would go ahead and type in this case, just type in log 24 and get your answer. Okay? But a lot of times, and I know on the test, well, I think on the test we have variables, so you're not going to be able to do anything with it. But you'll just go from multiple logarithms down to a single logarithm. Okay? Alright? You want to see one more of those maybe? Do a complicated one. Oh. I'll make one kind of complicated, and I'll also just throw an ln in there too. Alright, so we're going to condense again. Alright, we're going to make 1 logarithm here. I have the ln of 4 plus 1/3 ln x minus 2 ln y. Don't let the ln's throw you off. Ln's are still what? They're still logarithms, right? They're still logs.
To the e.
But it has a base of e. Do you think the rules change? No. It just means you're not writing log, you're writing ln every time, okay? There is no difference, so don't think just because you see an ln that it's going to be, you know, different. The same rule still applies, just you're writing ln instead of log. Alright? Alright, so again, first thing here, whenever you have numbers out in the front, let's move those up to the powers, okay? Let's always work with the powers first. So this one has nothing, so I got ln of 4 plus what? ln of, good, some of you guys are already calling the cube root of x out there, which is good. I'm going to write 1/3 power right now just to make sure I'm not going too fast for some people, okay? But yep, we moved the 1/3 up here to the power, and then minus what?
ln y to the second.
ln of y to the second. Okay, good. Alright. Some people are already calling this out. X to the 1/3 power is really the cube root of x. Okay. So, I don't know, let's work here on the left. These two logarithms, can I condense those down to just one?
Yeah.
What would it be?
Cube root of x.
Did you say a 4 first?
Yeah.
Okay, yep. ln of 4 cube roots of x. Because this is being added, you can multiply the 4 and the cube root of x together. So the ln of 4 cube roots of x. If you want to put a parentheses there, you can. Not a big deal in this case. But if you do, just to know that that's a product, okay, you can do that. Alright, we still have 2 logarithms. I want to get it down to 1 logarithm, okay? Because it's minus, we divide. So final answer is the ln of what?
4 cube root of x divided by y squared.
Nice job, guys. Again, parentheses wouldn't be mandatory, alright? But sometimes it looks nicer when you put the parentheses there. Okay? So, there's condensing. That's it. Okay? Assignment. And yeah, there's a lot of them. Page 510, 3 through 59 odd. Based on how things are going, I actually think I'm going to push back the test until next Thursday. Okay? Next Thursday will be our test day. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to give you more class time to work on this. You won't be able to get it done in just those 30 minutes tomorrow, okay? So please try and do some tonight. That'll benefit you a lot, okay? Then you can finish up in class tomorrow. Ask some questions if you're running into some problems on any of them. Monday, I'll teach 7-6. The block day, we'll finish 7-6 and take all the practice quizzes and really prepare for our test, and we'll take the test on Thursday next week. So